Getting back to playing Shaman again after a few years. Now I'm playing Enhancement Shaman, which is pretty cool in Wrath of the Lich King. I've just reached level 60 and having these feral spirits, and they seem to be pretty strong actually, so now I'm aiming to get down and go for some mining. There are many mobs, but actually I think with the feral spirits we can make it. So we have to be careful because there are actually many other players, and you never know who will come for the visit. But let's try the wolves. It seems we already have a visit. I want to save the wolves because we will need it later. Cool thing is that it's actually monster weapon is accumulating, and if you have 5 you have instant casts of some spells basically. Heals and something lightning bolt and chain lightning. Should be very useful, especially the heals. These are quite tough, but let's see what the wolves will do. So let's get for it. Whoa, we have many. These wolves are actually down. Another one. I will have a visit. Wolves are very low. We have one more deal to get without them. And last one. Wolves are gone. Deal with this one already. Thing is that also with the talent tree, if there is a frostbite attack on the enemy, some increased damage from the shock spells and from the air choke. Target. It's nicely accumulating. It seems that there is actually still one, but maybe we will not need to defeat him. Finally, mining. This was well deserved.
Charging.
An instant cast. This really helps. I think it can be pretty powerful in PvP when it comes to it. There's also one, but there is just one, so I think we can defeat this one as well. They're quite tough. They are some 3 levels higher. Quite many health points. Oh, and it's even silence. Kind of it's pretty tricky. Cool. I wonder what this guy wants to do here. He has a lot of company. A lot of company. But maybe he's just willing to do as much experience as possible in a single shot, maybe. But it's quite an ambitious plan, I think.